Welcome back. Hopefully you were able to go ahead and pin some files there. Let's go ahead, now that we're familiar with the start screen, let's go ahead and start a blank document. So over here on my home tab under new, I'm just going to go ahead and click on blank document. And here we are presented with Microsoft Word 2021. Here is our new interface. We got a new makeover here for our ribbon. Now remember, our ribbon is located up here at the very top, formerly referred to as our menu, but now this is our ribbon here. Really nice smooth colors, and Microsoft decided that they wanted to just give it a really nice refresh, so it's more visually appealing for us. It's kind of easier to find things. I kind of find here we have some more rounded edges towards the outside. We have some more shadowy effects as we kind of move over our commands here as well. So really nice. But let's talk about just in continuing to just get started here. We have to kind of identify a few things. We want to identify what the ribbon is and how it works and how do we kind of move around and make things happen here. So at the very top here, we do have what is called our ribbon tabs. So for example, we have our file tab, our home tab, insert, draw, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, and help. So the whole idea, because there's so many commands that are available in Word, the whole idea is that when you interact with one of these ribbon tabs, it will open up a separate menu here as well. So for example, let's kind of take a look at how this works. So right now we're on our home tab, and within this home tab, we have what's called command groups. So we have our undo command group. We have our clipboard command group. Notice we have all of our clipboard tools here. So cut, copy, paste. Here's our font command group where we can interact with the fonts, the font type, size, color. Here's our paragraph group here as well, where we can kind of go ahead and insert a numbered list, a bulleted list, or we can specify the alignment as well. Then we have some styles over here. We can apply various headings and titles if you want to. And then we have our editing group over here. So these are the groups that live inside of our home tab here. Let's go ahead and check out another tab. Let's click on our insert tab here. And as you can see, insert has its own set of command groups, and each command group has their own commands inside that we can interact with as well. And so if I were to just place my mouse in between or kind of anywhere on this ribbon tab here, I can just scroll and it will show me. I can scroll to the left, scroll to the right. I can kind of go through each menu item here as well. Very good. So what else can we do with our ribbon here? Maybe this is taking up too much space. Maybe you want to kind of condense things a little bit here as well. Well, we do have options here. On this little drop down, we can interact with that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here. And these are the ribbon display options. So I can switch ribbon states to hide and show the quick access toolbar. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and click on there and take a look at my options here. So the first thing I can do is I can go ahead and specify whether I'm using a mouse or a touch screen or a touch device here. Okay. And so under the show ribbon, I can go to full screen mode. And this is a great thing about Microsoft Office products. When you just kind of mouse over a command, it just kind of shows you exactly what it does. So full screen will maximize the window and hides the ribbon and the quick access toolbar. If I just want to show tabs only, this is kind of like simplifying the ribbon. So I'm going to go ahead and actually click on this here. And let's take a look and see what happens to our ribbon here. So as you notice, it just kind of simplified things for us. Maybe this view works for you, because now we have a lot more space down here. It's just kind of simplified it right down to our ribbon tabs. They're still there. if we were to click on home, it's going to reveal them here again. We click away, it goes back. So maybe that will work for you. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back here. And I'll go ahead and click back on my options here. I'll turn that off. I want to see everything again. The other option here is I can say always show the ribbon. All right, so I can always show it, or I can pin the ribbon. So it's really up to you what you want to accomplish here. Another feature that we get for our Microsoft Office products is the quick access toolbar. So I'm going to go ahead and enable this here. And let me first go back and pin my ribbon here. Here we go. All right. So the quick access toolbar, very, very powerful tool. Notice now it shows up at the bottom of the ribbon here. And it's just kind of waiting for us to add some commands here as well. So what is the quick access toolbar? The quick access toolbar is a way of giving us quick access to some of the commands that we tend to use in Microsoft Word. I'm going to go ahead and click on this small drop down here. And with this menu, I can go ahead and customize the quick access toolbar. Now, I do recommend adding some commands to the quick access toolbar. It just kind of makes it a lot easier, but it's really up to you. It's for you to customize. So right now, I know that there's a lot of things that I kind of like to use when I'm using Microsoft Word. So I'll go ahead and add them here as well. So here's some basic commands that we can go ahead and add. Okay, so if I want to be able to open up a new document, I can do that. If I want to do a quick print, if I click on it here, now I have access to quick print from anywhere I'm working on in my document here. Then click on my drop down. I like the read aloud feature, kind of reads what's printed back to me. And maybe I'm just not finding everything here that I want to. Another way that I can do that is I can go ahead and click on my home tab. I know that I use these tools a lot. I'm just going to go ahead and right click and add this to the quick access toolbar. So now if I want to bold something, I don't have to go back to my home tab and click bold. I can just come right here and take advantage of that as well. I really like to use the center align. So I'll go ahead and right click on that. I'll add that to my quick access toolbar as well. Now it says if you want to remove something from the quick access toolbar, you can do that as well. You can right click on it right on the quick access toolbar and you can just say remove. Go ahead and remove that. Another thing that we can do, if you want to move the quick access toolbar, in the previous versions of Microsoft Word, it was here at the top. So maybe you want it to be at the top. You can show it above the ribbon. Just go ahead and move it up there. Now it gives me a little more room because now it kind of joins with my basic, my default saving features here as well. So it's really up to you, but I want you to go ahead and spend some time just navigating through this ribbon. Make sure you take a look at each ribbon tab to see what options are available in there. Trust me, it will make you more comfortable with using Microsoft Word. Go ahead and click on this drop down, customize your ribbon, turn on the quick access toolbar. Go ahead and add some commands to there as well. Pause the video, go ahead and perform those tasks and come right back.